So hello all, in this video we will talk about further questions. We are discussing statistics of class 11th. So this is question number 6th. Question number 5th you can easily do with the help of this question number 6. So let us first see. We have to find out mean. We have to find out mean deviation about the mean. So mean deviation about mean means firstly we have to determine mean, right? Then only then we will be able to find out mean deviation about mean. This is this deviation we have to determine. So for that we need to find out mean. So xi I have written here, fi is this. Now for mean we have to find out fi xi. So fi xi means 10 multiplied 4 is 40, 30 multiplied by 24 is 720, 28 multiplied 50 is 1400, 70 multiplied by 16 is 1120, and this 90 multiplied by 8 is 720. So when we will find out the sum of this, it will be equal to 4000. The sum of all fi xi will be equal to 4000. Sum of fi is 80, right? So now mean we know, mean formula x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma fi xi means 4000 divided by 80. So 4000 divided by 80 is equal to 50, right? 4000 divided by 80 is 50. Now xi minus x bar modulus, that means negative sign we cannot take. So xi minus x bar means 10 minus 50 is minus 40, modulus of that is 40. Similarly 20, this 0, and this will be 20. 70 minus 50 is 20, 90 minus 50 is 40, right? Now fi xi minus x bar, multiply both these columns. So 40 multiply 4 is 160, this will be 480, this will be 0, this will be 320, and the sum of it will be 1280. When we will find out the sum, it will be equal to 1280. Now what is the formula for mean deviation about mean? So mean deviation about mean about mean, this sign represents about mean. Mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus x bar. Now I value will go from 1 to 5. So 1 upon n number of terms is 80. So 1 upon 80 sigma fi xi, sum of this is 1280. So this will be equal to 16. So mean deviation about mean for this question is 16. So this is the complete solution. Please pause the video and note down. Now this is question number 8. So in this we have to find out mean deviation about median. So mean deviation about median is also easy. Just you have to determine median and then we will solve for mean deviation, right? So for median we need cumulative frequency. So here I have written xi, then frequency. Now cumulative frequency will be 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 8 29, right? This is CF. Now CF we know it is 29, so that means n is 29, which is odd. So median for odd is equal to n plus 1 upon 2, 29 plus 1 upon 2, 30 upon 2, which is 15th term. So 15th observation will lie in this segment, right? 15th observation will lies in the cumulative frequency 21. This implies CF is equal to 21, right? So if CF is 21, so median will be equal to corresponding observation for CF21 is 30. So median is 30, right? Very easy. Simply what we have done, we have determined the observation which is 15. So 15th will lie in this category because up to 14 we have in the previous category. So 15 will lie in this. So corresponding observation is 30. So 30 is the median. Now median is 30. So xi minus 30, right? So 15 minus 30, modulus of that is minus 15, modulus is 15. Then 21 minus 30 is 9, minus 9, so which is plus 9. Now 27 minus 30 is minus 3, which is plus 3. 30 minus 30 is 0. 35 minus 30 is 5. Fi multiply by this. So 15 multiply 3 is 45. 9 multiply 5 is 45. 6 multiply 3 is 18. 0. 8 multiply 5 is 40. So sum of all this, sum of this will be equal to 148. 40, 40, 90. 90 and 40, 130. And this 18 is 148. And sum of all frequencies is 29, right? So now let's use the formula for median. So mean deviation about median. About median means you have to write m here. About mean means you have to write x bar here, right? So mean deviation about median is equal to 1 upon n sigma I value goes from 1 to total number of observations are 5. So I value goes up to 5. Sigma modulus of Fi modulus of xi minus m, right? Which is equal to 1 upon 29 multiplied by 148, which is equal to 5.1. So 5.1 is the mean deviation about median of this question. In the same way you can do question number 7th also. Pause the video and note down. Now in the same way next question is there, question number 10th. We have to find out mean deviation about mean, which is also very easy. Simply just find out mean first. So that's what we are doing. Ci, Fi, Xi means class mark. So class mark means 95 plus 105 divided by 2, which is 100. 105 plus 115 divided by 2, which is 110. Then 120, then 130, then 140, then 150 similarly. So Fi Xi means this multiply this is 900. 13 multiplied by 110 is 1430. 3120. Now 30 multiplied by this is 3900. 14 multiplied 140 multiplied by 12 is 1680. And this is 1500, right? So sum of Fi Xi is 12530. When we add it, it will be equal to 12530, right? Now we know that mean is equal to sum of Fi. Sum of Fi is equal to 100. So mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, which is equal to sigma Fi Xi means 12530 upon 100. So which is equal to 125.3, right? Now the calculation will be quite lengthy, so try to understand it. So Xi minus x bar, modulus of that. So Xi is 100. 100 minus x bar 125.3 is 25.3. Similarly this 110 minus 125.3 is 15.3. Modulus of that 5.3. Similarly 4.7, 14.7, and this will be equal to 24.7. 150 minus 125.3. Now we have to find out Fi Xi minus x bar, right? So multiply both the terms. So 9 multiplied by 25.3 is 227.7. then 198.9, then 137.8, then 141, then 176.4 and 247, right? Now add all the values. So on adding all the values, this will be equal to 1128.8. now we know that mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus x bar, right? So 1 upon n value is 100, so 1 upon 100. Sigma will go from 1 to 6, I is equal to 1 to 6. So fi xi, so multiply 112.8, so this will be equal to 11.28. so mean deviation about mean is 11.28. Just pause the video and note down. Now this is question number 12th. So in this question the gaps are not regular, not continuous. So in order to make it continuous, we have to subtract 0.5, as there is a gap of like between 20 to 21 there is a gap of 1. So we have to subtract 1 upon 2 from upper limit, and we have to add 1 upon 2 to lower limit. So that's what we have done. So gaps are 15.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5 and so on. So now it is continuous, right? So fi is this. We have to find out mean deviation about median. So for that we have to find out CF, that is cumulative frequency. So CF will be 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 12 23, 23 plus 14 37, 37 plus 26 63, 63 plus 12 75, 75 plus 16 91, and 91 plus 900. So both are equal, that means it is correct. Now CF we know, so can we find out median? So CF is 100, sorry, this n is 100. This implies even. So even means 50th term plus 51st term. So 50th term lies between, sorry, 50, this n is even 100, so n by 2 is 50th term, n by 2 is 50th term. So 50th term lies in which, in this category, right? In this category, n by 2 is this category, right? So median is equal to, formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H, right? So all things you know, L is lower limit. So lower limit for this is 35.5, comma n by 2 is 50. CF is cumulative frequency of the previous class. So previous class is 37. F is 26. H is gap between them. So H value is 5, right? Now put the value. So median is equal to L. L value is 35.5 plus 50 minus CF is 37 upon 26 multiplied by 5, right? So when you will solve it, it will be equal to 38. 35.5 plus 2.5 is 38. So median is 38. Now put the value of median in this. So first we have to find out class mark, which is xi. So 15.5 plus 20.5 divided by 2 is 18. Similarly 23, similarly 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, 43, 48, and this will be 53, right? This plus this divided by 2 is 53. Now modulus of xi minus median, right? So modulus of xi minus median is 20, this minus 38, so 18 minus 38 is 20, then 15, then 10, then 5, then 0, then 5, after that 10, and then 15, right? Very easy. Now the last column is fi multiplied by xi minus m. So fi multiplied by xi minus m is 100, 20 multiplied by 5 is 100, 15 multiplied by 6 is 90, then 120, then 14 multiplied by 5 is 70, then 0, then 12 multiplied by 5 is 60, then 16 multiplied by 10 is 160, then 15 multiplied by 9 is this 135. So on adding all the values we got 735. So now just pause the video, note down. So now median formula, mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median is equal to 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus m, where the value of sigma goes from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to 8. So that is 1 upon 100 multiplied by 735, which is 7.35. So median for this is mean deviation about median is 7.35. So here we complete this exercise. The rest of the part you can easily do with the help of these questions. So thank you for watching it.